The perfect environment for a noble vehicle. It's the world premiere of the new 7 Series luxury limousine, BMW's flagship automobile. The premium car maker is now rolling out the 6th generation of this model. This presentation is very significant for the manufacturer. This is the flagship vehicle of the BMW brand, and as such a showcase for the innovative strength of our BMW group. And BMW has added many new features to the 7 Series model in terms of both technology and design. Many changes can be seen in the car's exterior. The grille shutters are now adjustable so the air intake can be varied. The new generation places special emphasis on aerodynamics. Although the design adheres to the principle of less is more, there's no shortage of elegance. It's the little details that stand out. One of the highlights is the innovative lightweight construction, carbon fibers, magnesium, and so on. It's the lightest automobile in its class. There's also the driver assistance systems. Autobahn Assist facilitates autonomous driving up to 210 kilometers per hour. We also have our remote-controlled parking, which we are the first car in the world to have. And finally, efficient dynamics, new highlights in terms of consumption figures and driving performance. The interior of the new 7 Series also epitomizes the modern, contemporary, and pioneering face of luxury in automotive design. Generous space that makes driving an enjoyable experience, comfortable seats, high-quality materials, and exclusive, highest-quality workmanship. In the rear, passengers can take advantage of a built-in tablet that can be released at the touch of a button. It locks back in automatically when replaced in its mount. The tablet can be used to operate all the vehicle's primary driving features, as well as the screen in the back of the front seats. If desired, the back seats can be adjusted electronically. There is a recessed footrest in the floorboard on the passenger side. Driving luxury describes the experience of getting behind the wheel of the new 7 Series model. Engines of the latest generation boast high performance and low consumption. The most popular is likely to be the new 740 LE, which relies on hybrid technology to achieve average consumption figures of an amazing 2.1 liters per 100 kilometers. And it drives like a much more compact model. This lightweight car affords agility, and our standard chassis that features 2-axle air suspension and variable damping control, taking optimal advantage of the lightweight construction. Then with X-Steer, our intelligent all-wheel steering, and our Executive Drive Pro active roll stabilization, we can even go one better. With the new 7 Series model, BMW is setting new standards in the luxury automobile segment by achieving a balance between sportiness and driving comfort that fully lives up to the BMW motto of sheer driving pleasure. The new flagship model will go on the market this autumn.